Hello, in front of me I've got Xbox Series X. In this video I'll show you how to add and remove accounts from your console. In the beginning, press this button on your console, go to Profile and System, and go to Add or Switch. And in here you can add guest and add new account. Now just sign in and your new account will be available on your console. In order to remove accounts, go to Settings, Account and Remove Accounts. Now select account you want to remove and select Remove. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.